Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful design, very embellished videos, and this video is all about the crochet granny skewer designs. Crochet granny skewers are used in different designs like blankets, cardigans, and handbags, bed sheets. Like so totally topics are used in different amazing videos. So I will more attractive, more fabulous videos, just looking gorgeous, perfect videos, and we have to share with you. I have shared with newest videos, designs, and just perfect videos. So this is so stunning, this is so amazing ideas, and more creative, more fabulous videos, and looking gorgeous, just looking amazing. And so this is amazing designs, and looking for prettiest videos, designs. And granny skewers are in totally crochet work, are used in different topics, different designs, and looking pretty designs, and just amazing, just gorgeous videos. So I will more attractive, more stunning and fabulous videos, designs. This is so amazing design. So may Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amen. Like these perfect designs and perfect videos. We will attractive ideas, and different topics are used in different designs, just looking gorgeous. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. You can do it, subscribe to our channels, and more creative, more stunning, and more perfect videos and perfect designs. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not share with all newest designs, newest videos, and stunning designs.